good and bad. It's bad, mother, good on it. Have you bad? Do you bad? Have people sad? Isn't that a beautiful story? Ladies and gentlemen, the songs we do are all classic songs. The reason they're classic is because they have no error. Whenever they're played, they apply. This song was done in the 60s by a young man who was 21 years old by the name of Ben E. King. Now, young Ben E. King had no idea how impactful this song would be. But this song fed him all his life. And I think it's because in this life we live, when you go meet your maker, nobody's going to remember how much money you made, what kind of car you had, or what kind of motorcycle you drove. Or they won't remember anything. The only thing they'll remember is how you made them feel and how they made you feel. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the legacy that you leave behind. So I want to encourage you to leave behind a good legacy. And when you're walking around on this side of heaven, remember this. Treat somebody well and let them know that you're willing to stand by them. Because I assure you, if you do it, they'll stand by you. And ladies and gentlemen, that sums up what love is all about. Benny King said it like this. When the night has come, ooh, the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. Darling, darling, mind me, oh, darling, mind me, oh, stand by me, stand by me. If the sky is upon, ooh, shall tumble and fall. Have you said? That's my husband, lady. Everybody needs somebody to stand back.